to A to represent this exponentially growth with this relation. Y is equal to A sub 0. E is a number that is approximately equal to 2.7, is constant, a constant, Bx. And here X represents the number of days from March 1st. I assume that the starting date for the cases, the active cases of coronavirus is March 1st. And Y here represents the number of active cases in USA. A0 is the number of active cases on the starting date, which is March 2020. And B is just a constant. And if you are wondering what B is equal to the natural logarithm of 1 plus R. R is the percentage of the increase. This doesn't matter. And here for this relation, we need to determine A and B, or A sub 0 and B. These are constants. We need to find them. And I have this picture from the World Meter website. And from this picture, I can get the data I needed in order to find A and B for this exponential relation. So if we go here, so that's the picture. And look at this here. Okay, I started on March 1st. March 1st is this. On March 1st, we have 65 cases. And March 2nd, we have 85. March 3rd, we have 106. And I entered these data here in this website. So in March 1st, day number 0, we have 65 cases. I entered this data myself. And day number 1, we have that. As you see, I kept going all the way with March. And now I expect that using this data, we will be given here, this website will calculate the value of A and B for us. So I will execute, and you can add more rows if you want. So here you can add one more row and then execute. Okay, what we get with that? Yeah, now we get A and B. These are the values of A and B. And now, once we know the values of A and B, we can plug them in here, value of A here, value of B here, and we can do our prediction. So for example, let me do this. So now we have, so we started with Y equals A, E, B, X, this, and now we know that the value of A is 69.7. I write here 69.7. E, and the value of B is 0.28. 0.282. Let's say, do that. 282. So on April 25th. So how many days from March 1st, the starting day? So X equals 55 days. We are 55 days away from March 1st. So if we plug in 55 here and do the calculation, so with the calculator, E 10.282 times 55. And yeah, now this is the number of the expected cases based on this, on the formula we have. So we expect that all the population, the USA, will be infected if it continues like this. So it is about, so 379 million, almost all the population will be infected by that date. Anyways, I hope not. I hope everybody will be safe.